So here we are, we've made it across the ravine on hole number 10. As you can see in the distance, the pin is out there. I got a ball up there somewhere, let's go find it. Here we go. 50 yards, but I'm behind those trees. So I'm gonna hit a little punch and run. See how it goes. Here we go. So it looks like I made it to the green. Go up there. You following me? Uh-oh. Did you lose track of me? Come on. Come on. Come on. Here we go. We made it. I'm putting. This is kind of weird, I know. I admit it. Here we go. They just sanded the greens. It's pretty ugly. Let's see how bad it is. Look at that. Oh, I hit the flag. That was perfectly on line. I hit the stinking flag. How are you going to see this? Come over here. Let's turn around. Come on. Here we go. Did you see that? Did you see that? Come on. Let's go home.